I found an Instagram page that videos are getting 42 million views. And sometimes they are getting up to 100 million plus views. And they have almost 10 million followers. But I have noticed that the videos are created by using the power of AI. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can make these types of videos by using some free AI tools. Watch the video till the end, so let's dive in. Go to Google and search for AI image generator. You will find a lot of AI image generators, but I recommend you to use Leonardo AI. Because this tool gives you a commercial license for this images. And you will get 150 credits daily for free, which is more than in half. Simply go to image generation, and here you can find a lot of options. You can customize this on your own choice. I recommend you to select Leonardo Diffusion XL model to generate the room image. Simply choose the ratio 9:16. You can generate maximum 2 images. I can give you a prompt in the description of my video. Simply copy the prompt and paste into the text box of the Leonardo AI. Feel free to customize the prompt, and after you are done, simply click the generate button. Amazing. Once you like your image, simply upscale the image with clicking on this button and download it to your computer. For this background image I will give you a prompt in the description. Simply copy this and paste into Leonardo, then click on the generate button. After you generate the image, simply upscale image and download it to your computer. After that you need to cut the windows. For this you can use Photoshop, but he is paid, so I can use a free alternative, which is Photopea. Simply go to your browser and search for Photopea and you will find this photo editor. Click on the first link and find this interface on your browser. Upload the room image. The easiest way to cut out the windows is to use the polygonal lasso select tool that allows you to draw straight lines. Simply select the tool and start in one corner of a window. Select each corner until you have completed the entire window. And simply press backspace on your keyboard. This will then delete the part of window of the image. In the next step we are going to add the snow effect and background behind the window to make this image come to life. You want to do this for every window in the image. Once you are done, simply go to File and click on Export as, and select PNG file, give it a name and select Save. Now to bring the images into live you need an editing program. I highly recommend you to use CapCut, which is the powerful video editor and is completely free and user-friendly. You can use anyone you like. Simply upload the images that you go to recently created. After that simply drag the background first, then drag the room image on top of the background image. You will need a snow effect for this. Go to YouTube and search for the snow green screen effect. You will find a lot of videos. Simply select one and download it to your computer. After that, import the video on CapCut. You want to place some video between the background image and the image with the cutout windows. For removing your green screen, select the video, click on cutout and enable the chroma key and select the color picker. Simply pick the green color and increase the strength. The green background disappears. Your properly noodles that the green isn't going to disappear entirely. As you can see, some of the snowflakes still have a slight green color. You can increase the strength a bit more to get rid of all the green, however you will also lose a lot of snowflakes. So here is what you want to do. Go to adjustments in the top right corner and scroll down until you see the saturation slider. Set this one all the way to the left. This will take out all the color of the video, leaving you with completely white snowflakes. I also suggest you put the brightness leader all the way to the right to enhance this even more. And as you can see, you are now left with only the white snowflakes, which are very large. I want to add a fire to this video. So what I can do is simply go to YouTube and search for a fire green screen. You will find a lot of videos and simply select one that you like. And download it to your computer. Then import it into CapCut. And select the all and right click on this to create a compound clip. As you can see, they are now get it a compound clip, so drag and drop the video fire videos. And for removing the green screen, simply go to cutout, enable chroma key, select the color picker and pick green color and increase the strength. Adjust the size and place this where you want. Once you have done, simply export the video by clicking the export button and export it to high quality. So friends, I hope you will enjoy the video. If you find the video helpful, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for my incoming videos. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.